Hello all. In this session, I am going to discuss one of the most important topic in the competitive examination, that is directions. It can be asked for placement drives, then RRB, SSC, those who are preparing for competitive examination. However, I am going to focus on RRB in this session. Even before moving on to the numerical example, you should have a tips. First of all, you should know the different type of directions, and you should capable of drawing the particular diagram here: north, then south, then east and west. These are the directions. Also, like intercardinal directions, you can say like northeast. Okay, this is northeast. Then northwest. Okay, so we can say like this is northwest. Then southeast. So we say southeast. Then southwest. These are called intercardinal distance. This concept you are supposed to mention. So whenever any numerical problems appear, you are supposed to draw this particular direction and go ahead with that. Another important tip is you need to have a better visualization. Try to draw a simple diagram. Okay. So starting from a particular point, then you have to mention the direction, then turn left or right. Then let me ask one thing. How do you mention turn left and right direction? Yes. Whenever they ask about turn right means you should go for clockwise direction. Conversely, whenever they ask to turn left, you should mention anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So this is very important because it's a tricky combination turns. Okay, here a person facing north and turns right. For example, so we have the direction. Person is facing north. Okay, so person is available here. He is facing the north direction. Correct, no? Next, he turns right. Turns right means you should go for the clockwise direction. Which is clockwise direction? This is clockwise direction, and this will be anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now, like he's turns right now. That means in this fashion. That means he's facing at east direction. If facing east, okay, suppose a person is facing east. Understood now? Next, you are asking to turn left. So turn left in the sense you should go for counterclockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. So that we can say like this is your counterclockwise direction. So it is towards north. He is facing towards north. So try to draw the simple logic diagram and you can go ahead with that. Distance calculation, if the question involves distance like he walked 10 kilometers east, then track each segment of the journey. And you have to find out the shortest path also. Find the final position, calculate the difference between the distances. For example, P and Q. What is the distance? Q minus P, right? Remember angular direction. If the problem involves diagonal or angular direction, like northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, mentally break down the movement into two segments. First one is northeast is nothing but the north and east direction. So this is actually regarding the angular direction. Some tricky questions will be asked in this particular topic. You should be aware about that. Actually, the things will be simple, but they may complicate you. So by remembering these tips, we can solve the previous year question papers. Even the previous year question paper will be discussed in the coming session. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Have a great day. This will be really helpful for your competitive examination, especially RRB and SSC. Happy learning. Have a great day.